This is just a public service announcement. Look at this guy. He's about to hit the semi. Oh, wow. Northbound, correct. And he's triple digits.
Hey, 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 hey. Ice, drip, white, wrist, bad bitch, she.
So this is something, this is just a public service announcement. Look at this guy. He's about to hit the semi. Oh, wow. This is a before you can co-park. This guy is literally, he's either drunk driving. Whoa. He's either drunk driving or he's tired at the wheel. I'm going to assume it's drunk driving. And I don't care. Someone's going to say I'm being a rat, or you're going to say I'm snitching. But this is putting people's lives at risk out here with this guy all over the friggin' road. Yes, I am passing exit 87B going northbound on 95. There is a vehicle. I'm trying to see what this thing is. He is all over the road. I'm guessing severely intoxicated. Correct. Yes, ma'am. Oh! He just clipped a vehicle. Northbound, correct. And he's triple digits. Texas plate, but I can't get close enough to get his tag. He's we're north of the 87B. The next sign I see says Hope Sound, 14 miles. I'm looking for a mile marker now. It's a shit. Hold on. He just hit the Jersey barrier. What is that? It's a Volkswagen. I think it's a newer Tiguan. It's got Texas plates. Oh, he is all over the place. And he's it's like a light blue. He's in excess of 130. He's going in the Jersey barrier. Oh my God. He's hit multiple vehicles. Oh my God, he's going at least 130. I'm not chasing him. Okay, he sideswiped the flatbed semi back before 87B. He hit the a white Jeep Grand Cherokee probably maybe 2 miles after that, and he's still going northbound. It says way station 2 miles. I see a bunch of blue lights up ahead in traffic. I just hope he doesn't crash. It looks like traffic is stacking up. Oh, he's locking it up. Is he going to hit somebody? Okay, hold on. Oh, okay, look. Okay, the tag on this vehicle is Mary Delta Mary 6285, Texas plate. I'm past 87B. I see some fire trucks up ahead and a bunch of blue lights, and traffic is stacked up. Let me look on my map here and see if it could tell me where I'm at. I'm not. Apple Maps is not helping me. I see there's a Yeah, that might be it. There's an accident up here on 95. There's a crossroad I will be crossing called Jupiter Farms Road that looks like it goes over 95. I'm behind that. I'm south of that. I'm in a black Chevy Tahoe. It's all blacked out. This guy's now just sitting here. I guess he's thinking I'm going to go by him. He's just stopped in the middle of the interstate. Oh, now he's moving. My hazards are on. My high beams are flashing. They're oscillating. There's a sign on my direct right that says Highway Advisory, Radio 1630 AM. No, ma'am. I see, yep, I see the blue lights up in front of me now. They're probably maybe a tenth, or not even 2/10 of a mile away, but a tenth of a mile. Oh, what is this? This guy's reaching under his seat for something. Okay. Yeah, he's still moving, but not fast. He's like going in spurts, and then he looks like he's gonna slam into the poor Cadillac that's in front of him, and he's almost sideswiped this UPS truck now twice. Yes, ma'am. Even at low speeds. And I mean, I'm moving at like 10. And then we come to a stop. But if we just keep going at this pace, we're going to run into whatever this accident is up here. Okay, now I see mile marker. What is this? 91. I'm right at mile marker 91. Yep, right now. I'm right next to it. Cadillac in front of him. He just... Yup, it's a pearl white. The tag on that Cadillac is 925. He didn't hit him hard, he just barely bumped him because he's rolling forward. He's so inebriated, I don't think he can even handle the vehicle at all. Center lane. My hazard lights are on. I'm in the far left lane and there's no traffic in front of me because I've basically held everybody up behind me. There's a big gap. If they're looking down this way, they'll see a big gap out here in this left lane. They can't miss it. Yes, ma'am. I'm parked basically right next to him. My hazard lights are on. He's now moving forward again. The true... We're at a dead stop again. And I see the blue lights at maybe not at the moment, maybe a tenth of a mile ahead, if that. Looks like they're directing everybody off of the interstate. Oh my God, he punched it. Well, it's like he's like racing from, he's sitting back and racing up to where traffic stops. Oh, wow. Yes, I see them. They're directly in front of me. Maybe half a tenth of a mile. I can see the arrows directing everybody to go off to the right. My hazard lights are still on. I'm in the far left lane. I'm in the direct far left lane. There's probably 30 car lengths in front of me to the next car. He's in the center lane directly next to me. Correct. Yep. Yep, he's in the center lane, halfway in my lane at this point. We're moving probably 5 miles an hour. We're not moving heavy right now because it's all stacked up for everybody to exit. I'm just from when the windows were down and I could hear him yelling at the other person earlier. I would assume male, but... Okay, he's going to have to merge over here in a second, so I don't know if he's going to be able to make it without clipping somebody. Okay, so we're still in the center lane. He hasn't moved yet, and he's literally just stopped here in the middle of traffic. If anybody's looking down this way, like, he's the only car in the center lane now. Between me and the Road Rangers, he's the only car in the center lane. No, he is now. He's trying to get up here. Maybe he's going to try to clip this semi. Oh, wow. Oh, he's going up towards the Road Rangers. Oh, slow down. Stop, stop, stop. Dude, stop, 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 stop. Please don't run these Road Rangers. Oh, my God. I think he's going to run into the Road Rangers. Oh! No, he locked his brakes up here at the cone. All right, Jesus Christ. One of these guys here, it's a sheriff's department. They got to stop him. For Christ's sakes. He's going to fucking... We're in the lane that's merged over at this point. Jesus Christ. Whoo! Okay, I think I see Highway Patrol here. I think they stopped a vehicle there. I see a trooper walking this way. Yes, ma'am. Oh, whoa, is he gonna run the trooper over? Whoa! He almost ran the trooper. Yes, ma'am, he almost ran the trooper over. Yeah, like the trooper got in front of his car and he about run the porch. He just yelled at him to turn it off. They're getting him. Yes. Yes. All right, they got him out of the vehicle. They're patting him down now. It looks like they're taking him into... Yes, ma'am, they're getting him into custody. Thank God. Yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you very much. Well, FHP has me here now. There's an accident already with fatalities, and now they stopped this guy, finally, and got him. He was so hammered and under the influence. So thank God. You know, look, man, I have lost friends to drunk drivers, and you guys can judge me however you want, but I'll take all of it, because what happened just right now is unacceptable. Absolutely unacceptable. If you have too much to drink, if you're that inebriated, if you can't handle your shit, do not get behind the wheel. Just don't do it. It's ridiculous. You're putting other people's lives at risk when you do that. You can wait this guy. This one's good to go. Oh boy. So I'm here now, and you can even hear the trooper, where the other sheriff that this guy almost ran over. And so I'm here now. I'm stuck here with sheriff's deputies, and there's already another fatality up here ahead. Unfortunately, a motorcycle accident, or a motorcyclist got run over and is laying over here dead on the side of the road. And it's sad that it took somebody to, pass away to catch this idiot that they now have in custody. Just don't drink and drive, man. Just don't do it. You guys probably can't see it, but they're putting that idiot in a cruiser now. Alright guys, so basically the moral of the story is don't be drinking and driving. If you guys are following on Instagram, I went live a couple times kind of explaining what was going on in the process. I've literally been sitting here for like an hour because, they're working an accident scene where somebody's already died. And they ended up booking this kid. I'm just glad everything ended up where, unfortunately, if this accident hadn't been here, and if this poor person that died on this motorcycle hadn't died on this motorcycle, the drunk driver may have cost somebody else their life. And it's just ridiculous, to do that. I mean, I get it, like I understand the getting home thing, but according to the I'm not even gonna say, doesn't matter. It's just ridiculous, man. It's just ridiculous. There you have it, guys. Something I did not expect, but I know I'm gonna catch flack. People are gonna say, I can't believe you chased him down. I can't believe you did it. What would you, if you lost your son or daughter, your mother, your father, a family member, because this idiot was out here drunk driving and plowing into cars, you wouldn't say something, you wouldn't do something about it? If you didn't, you're an idiot. That's just my take on it. And I guess I'm gonna leave it there.